Hello everybody, welcome to this live broadcast on Alliance in Motion Global. My name is Masagana Setkwe and I am an entrepreneur with Alliance in Motion Global. Today I'm going to speak about why there is no target in AIM Global. If you are familiar with AIM Global business, you realize that there are no targets in AIM Global. If we had targets, then what would have happened is that we would have told you that for a specified period, maybe a month, you would have to sell specified quantities of specified products. Or we would have asked you to sell certain amount of products. Let's say send $20 worth of products within every month. And so if we were to have targets, we would have been probably giving you quotas of sales to meet within a month or a quarter, or we would have been doing auto ship, because auto ship are done by companies that give you target. So instead of waiting for us to come and take the products to go and start to meet your target, we would rather send the products to you automatically. The period starts, because whether you like it or not, you would have to make that amount of sales. Otherwise, there will be sanctions. You either lose your commission or bonuses you've earned, or you get reduced commission or bonuses. But in AIM Global, we do not give you target, and so you don't have any quota to meet, and therefore we do not do auto ship in Alliance in Motion Global. And I'm going to give you a few of the reasons why we do not do that. Reason number one, we don't give you target because it would have been inconsistent with the concept of the AIM Global business. One of the concepts of the business of AIM Global is that you run it as your own business, and therefore you become your own boss, and as a result you become an independent distributor. As an independent distributor, it will not be consistent with that idea of independence for anybody, even the company, to tell you how much sales you should make. The company cannot dictate how much you should sell to you because you are independent. In other words, you don't depend or rely on the company. Your output will pay you. What work you do will pay you. So how much you want to earn will determine how you will run the business. But you are your own boss, and as your own boss, you decide how you run the business. The company will not tell you how you should run your business, how much you should sell in any period. So the first reason is that it is not consistent with the concept of AIM Global business, which says that you run it as your own business, become your own boss, and become an independent distributor. It is only in Alliance in Motion that we let distributors live true to the real meaning of independent distributor. Number two, we don't give you target because we want our business to be part-time friendly. Experience and research has shown that the majority of people who join network marketing start as part-timers. In other words, they are working somewhere or working full-time somewhere, and they do the AIM Global on part-time basis in their spare time. If we give you a target, what it will mean is that there will be some required level of output from you in order to meet that target. So what it will mean is that even though you are doing the business on part-time, you might have to do a lot of work on the business. But because you are full-time somewhere, you might not have enough time. You might not have too much time to be able to dedicate to this business. And so if we give you a target, we are going to put unnecessary pressure on you to deliver and perform to a level that your schedule on your current job might not allow. And so you will always be under pressure. You will always be under stress. And we know that stress is one of the leading causes of diseases. And another concept of the business is that we create healthy and wealthy people. If you become wealthy, but you are not healthy, you might not enjoy your wealth. And so we want you to be healthy. And so we take away the target from you also to ensure that you do not come under pressure or stress which will cause or affect your health. And you might not be able to enjoy your wealth you will create in Alliance in Motion Global. So we want our business to be part-time friendly so that if you are working somewhere, you can still join us. And the little time that you have, you can still do something. And because we have the best products and the best marketing compensation plan, you will still make good money, even though you will dedicate only a few of your time to the business. Just a few days ago, one of our distributors in Ghana launched his second car. He has been in the business for 2.5 years. And according to him, he is working full-time somewhere. So he only dedicates 2 hours of his time every Sunday after church to the business. 2 hours a week after church to the business. In just 2.5 years, he had risen to the highest rank in the company, that is the global ambassador, and he has been able to buy 2 brand new cars. Why? Because we are part-time friendly. So even though he was part-time, we didn't put pressure on him, but because our marketing and compensation plan and our products are the best, he still was able to get so much in just a short period of time. This normally will not happen in other companies. Number 3, we do not give you target because we don't want to give you any risk on your current job. I told you that we are part-time friendly, so you don't have to use the time you must work on your full-time to do this business because there's no pressure of a target on you. So what it means is that the little time you have, you can do this business. As a result, you don't need to use official time on your current job to do this business. If you do that, we will give you risk on your current job. Your bosses might realize that your performance will go down. They might realize that you are using the time for them to do another business. They can sack you, they can relieve you of your job, and you can be sacked from your job. We don't want that. We don't want to give you any risk on your current job. So we don't give you a target. Concentrate on your current job. The little time you have after work, you can do this business successfully. So M Global does not come with any risk to your current job because you don't have to even leave your job. All you need to do is to be 2 to 3 hours online after work in the comfort of your living room chair, connecting with your friends on Facebook, talking to them about the business, explaining the business to them, and if they join and they also start running the business, you begin to make a lot of good money. So no target because we don't want to give you any risk on your current job. Reason number 4 why there is no target is that we want the M Global business to be retirement friendly. When you are on retirement, you reduce your work or you stop working altogether. However, the mainstay of maintaining people during their retirement is Social Security or pension. Unfortunately, because of a lot of problems that Social Security has, it is not enough to take care of people in their pension. Therefore, M Global will give you a good pension, number 1. Number 2, because during your pension you can relax and reduce your workload, we don't give you a target. When we give you target, unfortunately, we don't give you different targets for people on pension and different targets for young and active people. Everybody has the same target, so everybody must work to meet the same target, old or young. And the old people, because they are old and may not be that strong as they were young to do the business, they will be disadvantaged. And so, in order not to disadvantage pensioners, when they are on their retirement, we take away the pressure of a target from you so that you can relax during your pension. When you have reduced your workload, the little time you have, you can still do this business and make a lot of good money to support you during your retirement. So we don't give you a target because we want to be retirement friendly. Actually, AIM Global is the only network company I have known in recent times that is both part-time and retirement friendly. Finally, reason number 5. The 5th reason why we don't give you a target is because we want you to be able to provide financial security for your children in AIM Global. How does it work? You just register your children and open accounts for them. Then you, the little time that you have, can place people under them. Then as those people are working, because they are under your children will be making a lot of money, which you can save, pile up, and keep for them, so that when they are about to start life in their 20s, you can hand over a lot of money to your children to start their life. So your children start life with a lot of advantage, because you will give them a lot of money to start life with. If we were to give target, then when you register your children, they will also be given a target. There are people in the business who have children as young as 6 months, 1 year, 1.5 years that they have registered, put people under them, and the children's account are already making a lot of money. Can you imagine if we give your children a target at the age of 2, 3, 4, or 5 years? How is he or she going to talk to people to do the business to meet those targets? And so because we want you not just to secure yourself, but to secure the financial future of your children, we don't give you a target, so that you can comfortably place your children, so that the little time you have as you run your business, you can also help your children run their business. So these are the reasons why we don't give you target in Alliance in Motion Global. Because the concept of the business is that you become your own boss, an independent distributor, and run your own business. And we can't tell you how you should run your own business. You run it the way you want. 2, we want to be part-time friendly, so that if even you are doing something else, you concentrate on that. The little time you have, you can run this business. 3, we don't want to come with any risk. You don't have to use time that you are using to work for your bosses now to run this business, because there's no target to meet, so that you don't get sacked. We don't want to come as a risk to your current job. Number 4, we want to be part-time retirement friendly, so that during your retirement, you can still use your little time to do this business and make some good money. Finally, we want to be able to help you secure the financial future of all your children in Alliance in Motion Global. So if you want to make some good money for yourself and also secure the future of your children and secure your own retirement or pension, then you are welcome to the wonderful world of Alliance in Motion Global, where we turn ordinary people into extraordinary multi-millionaires. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for watching. Happy Business Day.